Welcome back, guys. In this new video, I will be focusing on some tips that will help you to increase your speed in BMed. After looking at 2024 BMed past paper, I realized that it is next to impossible for a student to complete those 6 questions within the time. But with AutoCAD, you can maximize or try to be as efficient as you can. One example that I'll be exploring here is to draw, for example, on or the tip. Typically, the traditional way would say that here I'd like to draw an ellipse using the concentric circle method. Typically, we would divide this up into 12 equal parts, and then we would you know, bring the points across and down, and we bring them into form the ellipse. But no, what I'll be doing, I'll be showing you, I'll be taking advantage of the software. So in this case, I'll be drawing only a quarter. So what I did, I draw, let me start this over. So C for circle, enter, left click. Well, this should have been construction. It should have been construction there. Let me change that. Left click here. So radius is, major axis is 120, so the radius is 60. Enter. Space bar. Move towards this. 30, 30, enter. My next step is to establish the center mark here. So I type C for center mark, then enter. Click here. That is now done. My next step is to trim off a quarter, 3/4 of this. TR, enter. Click here. Click there. Click all of that. So I'm doing only a quarter. My next step is to divide this into 3 equal parts. So I type DIV, enter. Click here. Number of segments I want is 3, enter. Then I use ray, RAY, enter. Enter. Then trim, TR, enter. Left click, drag that. My next step is to use ray again. No, XL. XL, enter. In this case, I want horizontal. I then click here, click there. Or no, use rectangle. Use rectangle. Use rectangle, yes. I'm using rectangle. Left click here, and I left click there, left click there. Space bar, left click here, left click here. That's now done. Now, these are the points. TR, enter. Delete this, delete that. Delete this, and delete that. I now have quarter of this. All I need is quarter. I will then mirror this 2 times to get the full ellipse or the full circle. I then go to spline, SPL, enter. Go to my outline layer. I left click here. It's good to start at a point someplace down here. Then click here, click that point, click there, click here. Then move this down some distance away. Enter. Then trim, TR, enter. Trim this right here. So end up with only a quarter of that. My next step is to mirror this quarter. I left click here, MI, enter. Choose here as mirror line, enter. I'm then gonna mirror this half again. MI, enter. Left click up here and down here, enter. And just like that, in a couple minutes, you have your ellipse here. So this is an easy way in which you can complete those difficult tasks. So here I utilize about 1, 2, 3 shortcut tips. What I did, instead of using a complete circle, I use a quarter. Instead of using a regular line, I use ray to get these radiating lines. So that is two advanced techniques. Instead of drawing a line across and down, I use rectangle. Yeah, and I then draw the spline. Please note that I started the spline someplace down here to get it nice and smooth. Someplace here, then I click my first point, that. Then I bring this out some more, then click. So those are key. So guys, you have to be smart. You have to be able to utilize the advanced techniques available. Thank you for watching.